everyone, my name is April and welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you being here. I have some Haircare Declutter products to share with you today. I was going to do an empties video for hair care and I realized I had a whole bunch of products that I needed to declutter. So I decided to make a video. I usually do this about every couple of years. I like to go through my collection and weed things out. So I have a few of these types of videos on my channel if you're interested in those. The first product, I usually do like the whole collection review and pull things out, but I needed to switch it up this time. So the first product I have are this Refresh Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner. I was actually sent these products from influencer to review and I loved them. I loved them so much and I did a video on them. I used the product all by itself. What am I trying to say? I don't know. I used only this product for 3 months and my hair looked great and it felt very, very healthy. And then I stopped using it. And literally the first day that I used my normal shampoo, pre-testing this shampoo and conditioner that I had used a lot, I had the craziest hair fall. And the hair fall continued for a while until my hair just got kind of weird and it was just all really weird. And I don't believe that it had anything to do with swapping back to my old shampoo and conditioner because that was my go-to. That was the product that I had tested over and over and over again. I had been using it for years. This was the new product. And I don't know what happened because it was working for me and then I don't know what happened. Something happened. So I took the video down because I took the video for the product down because I just didn't feel right encouraging someone to buy that when I had concerns myself, and I just can't bring myself to use this again. So I am going to go ahead and declutter it. Like I said, I don't know if it had anything to do with this, but I just can't bring myself to use it. Next, so is this Amika or Amika Supernova Cream BoxyCharm junk. I mean, products like this are not for me. It's a silicone smoothing cream. Silicones make my fine hair tangle and super flat. And now I have this cream that's like brand new, never been used, maybe once, and I don't know what to do with it. I don't know anyone who needs it or who wants to use it. I guess I want to throw it away. And then I feel guilty about that. And this is why I am over subscription boxes. I have enough things to feel guilty about that I don't need 2 or 3 orphan products showing up to my house every month that I have to try and find a loving home for. Not me, not anymore. I have a video on that too. I have videos on all of it. All of it. Aubrey, Chia Mousse. Except for this. I really like the hairspray for curls and waves, so I thought the mousse would be even better because it's a mousse, but it wasn't. At least not for me. I never really found a way to make this work for me, to really do anything. It never really did anything for me. It just didn't seem to have a lot of hold. I don't know. It just didn't do anything. AG Dry Wax. I thought this was going to be cool. It was not. There was nothing cool about it. It was a coconut oil spray. Coconut oil spray. Coconut oil spray. How does that translate to dry wax? Coconut oil spray equals dry wax. My brain hurts thinking of that. It's literally this greasy, oily spray. Moroccan Oil Color Deposit Mask. I'll have a video on this too. Man, what is up? I have lots of videos. I don't want to declutter this, but I don't want to use it either. I tried using this to cover gray, even though it specifically says on the packaging that it won't. Like I said, I have a video on that, but I don't need it. And I'm afraid if I use it that it's going to kind of interfere with other color plans that I have going on. I'm getting ready to do some colored things. So I'm going to just declutter that. Speaking of color, the Christophe Robin, I guess. This is another product that I did a video on. And yeah, guys, I have a lot of hair videos. I really like hair care. It's something, yeah. I've had some crazy issues when I was first starting my channel, so I'll put the playlist somewhere if you're interested, because my hair is very fragile. It's fine and thin. And I have to be really, really good to it and keep it so that I keep it from looking fragile, fine, and thin. But this product, If you review products and you know what I'm talking about, and you have a review that kind of hits for a minute and it's not necessarily positive, do you ever feel like sometimes the company sends people in to your comment section to discredit you? I'm going to leave that there. I'm not going to make any accusations, but if you want to check out the comment section on that video, it's pretty interesting. This particular product from Christophe Robin is not great. They do have some really, really good products. But this is just a henna hair dye. It's a henna hair dye. That's all it is. Had I known that, I would have probably picked up something cheaper. It just didn't work that well. A lot of people were keen to tell me that I just wasn't using it properly, or I should have followed the directions, except that I did follow the directions, and I experimented with it about 10 different times, and I took people's suggestions in the comments, and I kept trying. I just don't think it works for everybody, and it didn't work for me, and I was doing the review. I kept getting comments on that video. That was the best product ever. I just wasn't. Sorry, guys. And lastly, another controversial product. We're getting into the controversy. Oh, the drama. Oh, the drama. I have all these from Diva Curl. I used Diva Curl back in the day at different periods in my hair, different products, including right before I had to go on my extremely damaged hair journey here on YouTube. And I experienced some of the problems that people are now claiming or attributing to using Diva Curl. I'm not necessarily convinced, but I am not going to be using Diva Curl anymore. Because I literally had the same problems that many of these women had. I had thinning, I had like this weird drying, and curl straightening. And that's just weird to me. I don't wear my hair curly because it has like multiple wave and curl patterns. So it's rare that I even try to like make it look good curly. So you guys wouldn't know that I had curl straightening, but it was happening for me. And that was part of what prompted me to start on this hair care journey. I'm like, what is going on with my hair? So I did decide to hold on to my Diva Curl products for a while to kind of sort through my feelings, and I just don't think I can do it. I don't think that I'm willing to take the risk that maybe that had anything to do with my problems. Alright guys, those are my decluttered products for this time. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you've used any of these products or if you have strong feelings, I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section, unless of course you work for one of these companies. Then maybe not so much, but you know, it's a free, you can, as long as you keep it civil, you can comment in my comment section. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye!